How to change to itemized deductions on TurboTax. First of all, open up the TurboTax app, or you can open up any web browser and head over to the official website of TurboTax. Now make sure to sign into your account. Once that is done, click on deductions and credits. You can also click on the federal option from here and then select deductions and credits. Make sure you've entered all the information here, then click on the continue option. Now, based on all the informations you have entered, it's going to select a deduction for you. In my case, it is standard deduction. If you want to change this to itemized, click on the change my deduction option. Now, it's going to ask you which deduction do you want to take this year. Select itemized deduction and click on continue. Now, it's going to say you've chosen itemized deduction. So let's keep going and lock that in for you. Go ahead and click on continue. Now you can complete the rest of the steps, and this is how you can change into itemized deduction on TurboTax. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.